This is a review of Gearbest's RC rally car, 4-wheel drive. This is my test pilot Jaden, 6 years old, and let's do a little video demonstration of this. Okay, Jay, show them what they can do.
You could go in the ground, but it's a 4x4, so you can just go in the grass. Now you can just
You can climb up hills. It's very strong. It's 4-wheel drive. Come here, Jay. Stop it for a sec.
No,
Just a minute.
that's a moving video.
Okay, so show. Okay, put the gas on. So you can see the four wheels. Okay. A minute. Okay, show what else it can do, Jay. Try it again go in there. Go back in the ditch. We're playing in the ditch.
Okay, but you could. Okay, I should this idea.
It's very strong.
It's very strong, but it's really. But the tires are so much blubber. I don't know how it. But actually, you could actually go in rocks.
Oh yeah.
You could go in rocks.
Okay.
And if you go on the road super fast, but you could.
It's more fun in the rocks. Yeah. All right. So say bye, Jay.
Bye.
Quick little review of this RC rally car.
Go to